Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike VOMERO 18. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so we never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at Nike's most recent running sneaker, the Nike VOMERO 18. We've got this in the wolf grey colorway in a UK size 7.5. It's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. Let's get unboxing. Here they are. Really lightweight. It's what you need in a running sneaker. And I've seen tons of activations from Nike. I think with it being their most recent running sneaker, there was a whole campaign with it last year, if I remember correctly. They had a little activation in London, Oxford Street. Really cool to see. And with the way that kind of run clubs are becoming a thing now, all over the world even, not just here in London, you can see loads of people wearing this kind of silhouette, as in it's a big chunky knitted sneaker. I myself, I do a bit of running, and this is the kind of styles we see. I do see a lot of people wearing the VOMERO 18 as well. Nike obviously started out as a running sneaker company, and it's only right they always put the best innovation, the best technology in that product. So let's start with the outsole. You have this outsole with kind of, you can see the waffle technology, the waffle Nike's famous for, still implemented, but you can kind of see it in exposed foam. Speaking of the foam, you have a dual density foam. You have the React technology and the Zoom X. So that is the foam that's involved in the sneaker to give you that bounce back with every glide, every stride that you take on your run. And again, it's kind of got that new look where a lot of the running sneakers you see these days, the ones that people actually run, you've got these big cushiony midsole units, foam. It's here for your comfort. We love to see it. And again, it's there to improve on your balance, improve on your performance. That's what we're here for. The upper, you have a synthetic knit, and you have some printing as well. You got it in the anthracite wolf grey colorway, with it very much breathable because you want that breathability with your running sneakers. You look at the top right here on the tongue, very nicely padded tongue. I like the great logo that you have here with the Nike Run logo and the VOMERO 18. Classic fast lacing system. At the heel tab, you got a reinforced synthetic heel lock right there with a pull tab. Very comfy. You can see all the padding around the ankles to give you all that comfort. And then you have the Zoom insole also to give you that extra cushioning, what you so rightfully need. Very lightweight. Again, as I mentioned, this is what you want with your running sneakers. These were designed for running. I know a lot of people wear running sneakers, retro sneakers that were intended for running. It isn't great now, but this is one that I've seen a lot of people in my run clubs and like my park runs on Saturdays. I see loads of people wearing this. I'd love to try this. That's why we've got a pair. And it's only right, Nike, if you need an athlete to run in, testing out your sneakers, the boys are here. You know our shoe size as well. Jeff as well, right behind the camera. Really appreciate, want some running sneakers. So big shout out to you lot. Big shout out to the running community. Big shout out to all the London running clubs also. Hopefully seeing you out there running in your VOMERO 18s. So we're gonna see what they're like on, try them, the fit. If you think that we need to do some more performance videos, let us know in the comment section below. Till then, here we are throwing you that on-feet review. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I typically wear UK size 7.5. This fits perfectly. It's kind of snug, but that's how I want it when I'm running, because I don't want the shoe to fall off. In terms of comfort, it's really comfortable. I can already feel the bounceability, if that's a word, the comfort in the sole. You know, I feel a bit taller as well because of the foam. Gives me every inch, and you know, ladies, even that little inch counts. With all that said, if anyone from Nike Running is watching, want to gift the boys a pair of some running sneakers, we are here. You know our sizes just off the bat watching this video. Also, let us know if you want to see a performance review. We used to do performance review for running sneakers, so it would be great to do. Let us know in the comment section below if that's something you're interested in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace.